The Autodesk AEC collection is an essential set of BIM tools for building design, civil infrastructure, and construction. The collection contains the software and innovative technologies to help you plan, design, and engineer projects in less time and with better communication with your clients and stakeholders. Capturing and modeling existing conditions on infrastructure projects can be time-consuming. With the Autodesk AEC collection, you have all the tools necessary to turn data capture into established existing conditions in the context of the real project environment. Using Recap, you can assemble and view the raw point cloud data and even make edits if needed. Add the modified point cloud data to your InfraWorks model and augment with survey data to generate an even richer model of your project conditions. Once in InfraWorks, the software will generate a ground surface while automatically excluding items like buildings, cars, light poles, or trees. You can also use analysis tools in InfraWorks to better understand the point cloud data in the context of the rest of the model. The InfraWorks model can be opened from within the Civil 3D interface. The point cloud data can also be viewed and analyzed within the Civil 3D environment. Now you can take the accurate surface generated in InfraWorks and use it for detailed design in Civil 3D. The accurate point cloud surface becomes an integral part of the Civil 3D model. Now that accurate existing conditions data is available in Civil 3D, detailed design can begin within the context of the actual project location. Now it's easy for designers, builders, and users to see how a civil project will look and function within its real-world location before construction starts. For architects, engineers, and construction teams, the Autodesk AEC collection means more value, more flexibility, and more simplicity for better BIM civil workflows.